On February 12th, 2024, we got to visit the Bevilacqua Textile workshop in Venice, and these are some of the things we saw.
With 3,200 threads. The difference between the normal kind of weaving with respect to velvet is that the velvet got two different, we call them bodies. So we got the warp and the body of threads who goes to create the pile, the design that will be relief with respect to the ground that is spread. So after that, when we finish to prepare the warp, we pass all the threads of warp through the holes of the leaf and our 3,200. And we keep all the other bobbins in balance between the arm and the hand. We take it out, the old one we replace with a new, and we reintroduce the metal through the bobbins. This is the technique to replace the bobbins.
Yeah, there's...
The rods are under the velvet.
Okay, yeah.
So the velvet is made by
see
going
how
over
worn,
the rod.
how worn that is there, and then... Yeah, all those, okay, yeah. All the little rods.
The does in the same direction with one opposite. You know that is the position where the thread was put. And we replace it. So this part is very important. We never lose it. So when we replace the new word, we have to conserve this part.
I was so blown away by the whole setup of the loom and all of the bobbins underneath. I thought it was just so very beautiful.
Okay. All right. To keep the thread in relief, the thread of the design in relief respect the ground, we use metal bars that we are going to introduce under the colored threads. This is what makes the difference between the technique of velvet respect to all the others technique of fabrics like damask, languishes, or brocades, where the weaver just worked with a warp thread and got the weft that make the design, but is flat. That design is not in relief like this. So, one ear. Silvia, quanti metri di prodotto, Silvia?
Mi pare 16.
Probably 16 meters, so she will be faster.
Yes.
E quanto tempo si avere per 16 metri?
Adesso non mi ricordo il calcolo, sono circa 50 cm al giorno.
Yes, the production is in the most complex loom are 25 centimeters, and in the easier and faster loom there will be 50 centimeters. So 50 centimeters is the maximum production.
Devo continuare perché ho iniziato adesso il disegno nuovo.
Grab work and the buttons. The setting on loom is completely different. You don't need to go to the gym at the end of the day.
No.
The gym of 8 hours. It's very hard.
Here are some of the setups of the looms and of the things on the looms. Look at how gorgeous that is. And that, oh, so pretty. And our lovely guide, she was great.
Now we call it lampas, but it's very similar to the whole bouquet. And the hand is very soft and it's thin. Respect the velvet, that is stiffer. And they produce this technique by hand here in the past. And there is something incredible on the background.
Yeah.
This is the work.
Yes.
And my teacher told me she worked in this kind of velvet, in this kind of fabric. And she told me that they work looking at the background and not the frontal part. Because they have to stand up a lot of times, a lot of work threads.
This piece was extraordinarily beautiful, just exquisite. The amount of work that went into it was astonishing, so beautiful.
And that is real gold. But if you feel this piece, respect this, it's not so heavier. You can try to hold. And it's also not stiffer. It's a bit stiffer, but not the people has the people imagine. I think that.
You imagine it would be stiffer, but it's not.
Yes, not so.
Yeah, you would
stiffer.
think it
And
would be
also
because
so
it's metal.
Heavier, respect the use of gold or not. I show you what do people do. So you can realize.
So these pieces are made with real gold thread, which is, they were so pretty and so luxurious. Here you can see the actual coil of the gold there. This too, I think, was gold. Taking pictures of the walls and a selfie with some fabric that I'd love. That one, oh, and I loved all of them. They were all gorgeous. And there's the beautiful little showroom. And the view from the showroom. And a last walk through, leaving the workshop. With the lovely sound of those looms going, the clack and clatter. It was really great. Loved it. Thank you so much, Bevilacqua. It was a really lovely time. Can't wait to come back.